Hello, everyone. My name is Caroline Passmore. I am the owner of CRP Specialists Inc. and Bookkeeping is Fun LLC. CRP Specialists is my company where we are a client advisory company where we provide bookkeeping services, specializing in nonprofit organizations and the trades to ensure that their books are ready to be sent to their tax preparers. Of course, we'll help anyone who does need help because with my other company, Bookkeeping is Fun, is where we coach those who are learning bookkeeping and help them to overcome that fear of gaining clients and give them that experience of with actual live books and an opportunity of learning in a supervised live environment where we don't just have that cookie cutter environment that they get in those courses out there that which are wonderful opportunities of learning, but we just give them a little bit of a bigger experience and in teaching environment. Now, today we're going to talk about something that can help you as the trades to save a lot of money, and that's tax deductions. So if you are a skilled tradesperson, like the plumbers, the electricians, carpenters, or any other trades, this video really is for you. So we're going to cover common tax deductions and how to document them properly. And of course, that's would be tips to maximize those savings. So you ready for that? Because we're going to get started here. So first, let's talk about some common tax deductions that you might be eligible for. Now, one of those is salaries and wages. If you have any employees or you hire independent contractors, you can deduct those wages. Second is utilities. And this can include electricity, water, and gas for your office or your workshop. Then there's the business phone and internet. Those are both landline and mobile phone bills, as well as internet fees are deductible. Now, and then of course there's office space, and that's whether you rent or own your office space, you can deduct those costs. Now, if you have a home office or you work from home, you can deduct a portion, and I can't express that enough, a portion of your home expenses. Now, office supplies and equipment, this would include items like pens, paper, computers, and other office equipment. And then there's advertising costs. Money that is spent on marketing or advertising your services is also deductible. And then there's costs for training and education. These costs for job-related training and courses can also be deducted. Then, of course, there's training expenses or travel expenses rather. This includes business related. And again, I'm saying business related travel. You cannot deduct a trip to Disney World that's not travel related. I'm talking about business related travel, such as mileage, lodging, and meals. Those are travel related expenses. Then if you need specialized tools and equipment that are used specifically for your trade, and if they need to be replaced within a year, those are deductible. And safety equipment, items like steel-toed boots, helmets, and other safety gear are also deductible. And if you're in a union or a trade association, those fees are also deductible. So I mean, these are all things that you need to consider when you're looking at your expenses. And liability insurance, premiums that are paid for business liability insurance are also deductible. Now, how you properly deduct these things, because so we want to talk about this. The proper documentation for these tax deductions, it's crucial for claiming these deductions. So here's a few things that we recommend. You need to always keep receipts for any deductible expenses, and this includes digital copies as well as backups. You want to make notes on these receipts So since you're keeping these receipts, write notes on these receipts. Literally write what these receipts are for. Keep these notes in a very safe place. You want to, because if you're, when you're writing on these receipts, it's remembering the purpose of that particular expense. And you want to make sure that you're keeping these receipts organized. You keep color-coded folders and or a digital application to categorize and store these receipts. You want to do both. It's okay. There's nothing wrong with keeping both a digital and a paper copy of your receipts, just in case. You just never know. And then, of course, you want to use a dedicated business bank account. I cannot stress this enough. Having a separate bank account for your business makes it easier to track your business expenses. Commingling is a serious problem that gets many, many business owners in trouble more often than I can even begin to express to you. Then regular check-ins, because you want to regularly update your records to avoid any last-minute stress during tax season. Now, some tips to maximize those savings. We want to have to maximize your retirement contributions. You contributing to a retirement account like a 401k or an IRA can really reduce your taxable income. Then, of course, there's a health savings account. You can contribute to an HSA that are tax deductible and can be used for medical expenses. And you want to look for tax credits that you might be eligible for, such as earned income tax credit or education credit. But most importantly, and this is probably the most important thing I can tell you, is consult a tax professional. Everyone's situation is unique. So it's really a good idea to consult a tax professional to ensure that you are taking advantage of all possible deductions and that you are doing them correctly. We, as bookkeepers ourselves, we can help you, we can guide you, and we work very closely hand in hand with those tax professionals to ensure that your books are done correctly and that we work very closely with these tax professionals to ensure that everything is done to their considerations. So if you are in need of any assistance with your books, please feel free to contact us. We also have some tax professionals that we work with very closely. If you're in need of a tax professional, I'm more than happy to give you a great referral. So again, my name is Caroline Passmore. I am the owner and profit strategist of CRP Specialists Inc. If you do need any assistance with your books, feel free to reach out and we're very happy to assist. I can be contacted through Facebook Messenger or by email, or feel free to schedule a consultation through my calendar link that are all found on my Facebook page. If you're watching us on our YouTube channel, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your finances. Hit that subscribe button. If you were not aware that we had a YouTube channel, you can find us on YouTube at CRP Specialists. Understanding and utilizing the tax deductions really can significantly reduce your tax liability and increase your savings. By keeping good records and knowing what you can deduct, you can make tax season a lot less stressful and more rewarding. That is what we can help you with at CRP Specialists Inc. We would love to be able to assist you if you are a skilled tradesperson and need assistance with your books. So thank you so much for your time, and we look forward to helping you focus on what it is that you do best while we take care of your financial planning and bookkeeping. So as we say, let us manage your money while you manage your business. Thank you. I hope you all have an amazing day.